If you just want a sequence of numbers, instead of using the while loop, you can use the for loop called numerical for loop. So you initialize the count variable with the initial value, which you can use in the loop, and also the final value. So this prints 1 to 10. You can also add the third argument to change the increment. So putting 2 there increments the number by 2 each time. So the counter variable is local to the for loop, so you cannot get the last value using the I. You can declare another variable before the loop and save the I to that variable. If you don't know the final value, then you can use the constant math.huge. It continues until you break out of the loop manually.